Example 3. A mass of 2 kg is whirled in a horizontal circle by means of a string at an initial speed of 5 revolutions per minute. Keeping the radius constant, the tension in the string is doubled. The new speed is nearly. So mass of the block is given, which is 2 kg, and initially it was rotating with a speed of 5 revolutions per minute. Keeping the radius constant, if the tension is doubled, what will be the new speed be? Since mass is given, which is 2 kg, and initial angular speed is 5 revolutions per minute, and we need to calculate what will be the new angular speed if the tension become 2t. Okay, so if the object is rotating in a circular path about a radius r, let the mass be 2 kg. Here tension will act as a centripetal force, so tension is equal to mv square by r, or v can be written as r omega. So tension can be written as m r square omega square by r. So r and square get cancelled. So tension is equal to m r omega square. So here let this be equation 1. Since mass is given, which is, so tension is equal to 2 r into omega is 5 revolution per minute whole square, which is 25 revolution square per minute square. Okay. Now keeping the radius constant, tension become 2t, then t dash is equal to again mr omega dash square or omega 2 square. So t dash is nothing but 2t, so 2t is equal to mr omega 2 square. We know t value, so 2 into t is 2r into 25 is equal to m is 2 into r into omega 2 square. 2 to get cancelled, r get cancelled. So 225 which is 50 is equal to omega 2 square. So omega 2 is equal to under root 50. So which is equivalent to 7.07 revolutions per minute.